Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10, Sahib Sizzler, a story of six siblings Azize, Kemu, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardin. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son, Omar Dain's richest family kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a scheduled life in forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. Number 9, Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 8, Shakir Pasha Ailesip. The series is based on the true story of Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by the scandal only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living on Bucada when his eldest son Jivad returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the happy family villa where the bohemian Jivat was increasingly at odds with his military father who disapproved of Jivat's wife and lifestyle. But Jivat's wife became infatuated with the older man and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. Number 7, Annem Ankara. Zohal Soydashli is the mother of three, married to Hassan, a man emotionally distant and shaped by troubled childhood. After discovering his infidelity, Zohal, once a respected officer, struggles to rebuild her life and care for her children. Her journey through heartbreak, resilience, and the challenges of holding her family together forms the emotional core of this Turkish TV series. Number 6, Saint Alama Istanbul. Set in Istanbul, this series revolves around an impossible love. Shahrazad, a resilient and hopeful young woman studying in medical school, dreams of a bright future with her beloved Farhat. However, their lives are turned upside down when Farhat is wrongfully sentenced to death. In a desperate attempt to save him from the gallows, Shahrazad turns to Bukbe, a man known for his dark influence, but there is a catch that she is unaware of. No favor from Bukbe comes without a price, as the unhappy marriage of Bukbe's daughter Shirin and his nephew Kubat intervenes with his plans to maintain his empire. Everyone's lives will be irrevocably changed and nothing will ever be the same again. Number 5, Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 4, Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasmin, but when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes one man army with the sole purpose of destroying the Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operation, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Number 3. Kizil Gonja Lad. Kizil Gonja Lad tells the poignant story of Maryam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches, fearfully hiding her plans from the cruel husband. Mariam must first earn money as a career in the house of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 2. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Hela, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living a luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 1. Bir Gece Masali. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Kurshad Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector, determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Jan Fiza, the daughter of Kurshad, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshad, waiting for him to slip up. Mahir realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.